If you want to edit the lock screen clock on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you need to find the personalization. In personalization, you should be able to tap on the lock screen wallpaper that you have over here on this preview of the lock screen. And now before we actually start customizing it, we can scroll down in order to find some other patterns or different styles, different presets that you can use. As you can see, lots of different font styles for the clock, lots of different clock faces in here. So, of course, after choosing one of them, you should be able to tap on customize, and then you can, for example, go to font effects in order to change colors, of course. You can also tap on the clock itself in order to change the style. And depending on the style that you choose, you can actually find many different options. So for example, if I stick with the default style, then in this case, I can actually find more options for the font, like the different, for the clock, I mean, like different fonts, different information that I can add in here, and so on and so forth. And remember that in font effects also here, you can change, for example, some colors. And that's about it. Remember to press apply in the upper right corner to save these changes. Subscribe to my channel.